Members, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you that how to get Notion AI Enterprises plan free for 1 year. Okay, not pro plan, not business plan. I'm giving you Notion Enterprises plan method. Okay, let me show you how. First of all, in browser, open all these links. I will drop all the links in my Telegram channel, and you can find my Telegram channel in comment box or in description box. So let's start. First of all, you have to connect any France country VPN. Okay, you can use any VPN, Surfshark, Express, or any free VPN. You can try with Urban or OneClick, etc., etc. But I'm using HMA VPN. Connect France location. It provides me no IP. Okay, so now reload this page and click get Notion free. Now here use your mail. You can use Google Mail or Microsoft. Okay, but I'm using temp mail here. Notion 4. Refresh the code. Why it's not arriving? Okay, so now put the code. Make sure you follow all my steps, okay? Otherwise you will not get. Continue. Create new workspace. Continue. Continue again, and now click here. Try free for 30 days. But now click stay on free plan. Okay. Skip for now. Skip for now. Okay, now click here, click on your profile and click upgrade. Now here select enterprise plan. You can claim business or +2. Okay, it's on you. What do you want? Pay annually. Select SEPA pay, SCPA, or what do you say? Now on this link select Germany, copy this, paste here, and now for address you can use my website Dummy Labs. Go here and search for France address. Copy the postal code here. Type any random alphabet here too. Okay, now click upgrade enterprise plus. Done. You can check that enterprise plan. It's done on your account. So it was the whole method that how to get Notion enterprises plan. You can check enterprises limited plan, Notion creates, etc. You can use your you can use Opus 4.8, GPT 5.6 Soul, GPT 5.6 Terra, Grok, Gemini, Kimi K2. All of the top models are available here. Okay, so this was the whole method provided by Ehsan Labs. Okay.